In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix my PS5 controller not working in games but works on my home screen. So basically what I did firstly is that I went into settings on my PS5 and then I clicked on users and accounts right here. Then I scrolled down, I clicked on other and I clicked on restore licenses. And I restored them for all of my games here, as you can see, and it's going to take you a couple of seconds, or if you have a lot of games, maybe a couple of minutes. And then after that we're going to go back to the settings page here once again and then scroll down and click on accessories, then click on controller right here. Make sure that your DualSense wireless control device software is up to date. This one wasn't up to date for me for some reason, so I had to click on it and then update. But you can see I already have the latest version now, but before I didn't. So try this, and if this still is not working for you, you need to go back into system here, click on system software and then system software update and settings, and make sure that your entire PS5 is actually up to date. So try this and hopefully this will be able to solve this for you as well.